Hello, John Bloodworth, Gentleman Crafter here with another card sketch challenge. This time it's number 6. Again, nice and simple one, and with a bit of a choice for you as well coming up. So I've got the card base there, and I've chosen the stamps which come with matching dies. I've got the papers which come from this Gardenia paper pad, that's from first edition. And I'll start by chopping down the layers. Now the layer dimensions will be given in the free download that's available from my blog, gentlemancrafter.com. Apologies about the focus here. There is something seriously wrong with my autofocus, I think. But we'll see. Anyway, carrying on. Yes, I'm just chopping down the layers. I'm trying to make sure to do the edges as straight as possible. And I've really just chosen 2 colours here, just to make it simple. Although you could do each of these 3 strips in different colours or patterns. Again, it's really a serving suggestion and down to what you have available in your craft room. Now I'm going for bookbinding glue here, but I'm interested to hear what you use. Do you use tape runners, double-sided tape? What's your go-to adhesive for sticking layers down? There we go, first layer down. Now these strips, although the layout will show you to stick them towards the right, you can of course stick them towards the left. It's just generally that rule of 3s that comes in with design. 3 for some reason just works. Take your time making sure you get them nice and straight and evenly spaced out. And this is a great card if you've just got paper, if you're not too flush with embellishments. Because at the end of the day you can print sentiments from your printer at home or chop the words out from somewhere. But in any case, as you see, you just need some paper. The card size I'm using is 6x4, that's 6 inches by 4 inches. But you can adapt this to fit whatever card you are using. Now, when it came to this sentiment, I originally set out to use this quite red geranium, I think it's called, ink pad, but after stamping out the design I actually changed my mind, so quick edit, ta-da, and there we go. I actually stamped it out in a fern green instead because that worked better with the colour scheme that I had going on. Probably could have avoided that if I'd have done a test stamp beforehand. Hey ho, you live and learn. Anyway, on goes the sentiment, and that's this card done. Of course you could add whatever you wanted, but for me, less is more on this occasion. I look forward to seeing what you make.